Hi friends, I'm Gopakumar and I'm the author of Triple M Magic of Manifesting Miracles. Today I just want to talk about one of the chapters which I've written in the book, which is highlighting the importance of gratitude. In life, gratitude is the most important thing, the most easily available thing, but the most ignored part in life. Gratitude is everything, especially if you want to achieve a goal. The path towards achieving a goal, one of the key steps to make things easy for you from within your mind, and also getting support from surroundings. Nothing like gratitude. So the method of using gratitude in achieving your goals goes like this. First, have a list of all the good things that's happened in your life, however old you are, however young you are. Just list down a list of all good things that's happened in your life. And let it be even a few years backwards or even during your childhood, whatever good has happened. If you can really think of them in a very positive manner and feel really grateful for that. Maybe there is a person connected to that. Maybe that person would have brought that incident in your life. Maybe it was just an accident. If it is an accident, you should realize if you believe in God, you can always feel grateful to God for that incident. I still remember when I was during a slightly drizzling, day, I used to walk with my friend on a place where there was some septic tanks, getting constructed. So there were cement concrete layers over them that were just recently put, and they were getting dried up. So in between there were holes. So most of the time during a little after 5, 6 and all, you will not be able to see the those holes there. I used to remember this incident where with my friend, I was walking, and while walking forward, with your friends, you will try and walk backwards, like that. So as you do that, on one moment, I remember my friend also was not noticing this. And just within half a second or half foot from that place where there was a hole, suddenly I don't know what happened. Some shivering feeling came into my body, and I just stopped. Then I just recollected myself, and then when I turned back, I saw there was a hole. That was pure miracle, because neither did my friend see what was behind me. He was actually facing forward. So if you remember, if you had fallen, and I don't know if I would have been alive also after that incident, because that was a rainy time, and water was flowing in full flow. And if you fall here, the next place where you can come was maybe after 1 kilometer. Till that time, you should be alive. That is the kind of things that you can always go back and remember. So I used to think, I believe in God, so I used to recollect that incident and feel grateful to God. And 1,000 more incidents like that. Good, bad. Good is like, maybe it is an elevating experience. Sometimes it's your life-saving experience. Whichever it is, feeling grateful for all that good things as a practice in your life. Like you will go to the gym, like you will brush your teeth, like you will take your bath, like you do your daily routines. To that regular way, if you can practice this daily basis, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, list down. Even if some things are getting repeated, like one of those big Sadgurus used to say, every day you feel like as we yet another day, but every day is a miracle, because yesterday you were alive and today also you are alive. And I'm not getting into any psychology, but the fact is, nobody knows what's going to happen next morning. So every day you have to get up and thank God and feel your feet in the ground and say, thank you Lord for this day too. If that is very tough, go back and remember all your great miraculous moments. I'm saying this was a miraculous moment for me. Moments like this that will really stay in your mind. And only change now is you are aware that you have to practice this gratitude. to make the creator, make the universe happy for all that is already given. Unless you're really acknowledging what has come to you, how do you expect new things to come to you? And you're expecting new goals to be achieved. You're expecting newer ideals to be, fulfilled. So the best way to first start acknowledging all the good blessings in your life, acknowledging all the good things in your life, and then you will naturally attract. There'll be a vacuum where all those new good things will flow into your life, and life becomes very fulfilling. And this is one of the best ways to achieve your goals. That's it from me for today. So this chapter is one of my favorite chapters, and the topic is gratitude. Hope you like this, and do look out for my book, Triple M Magic of Manifesting Miracles. It's getting launched in a month from now, and hope you like the entire concept. Thank you so much.